I'm making this up. Critical management skill number 77. State-of-the-art YouTube studio. Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Stepping Stones to Your Success. This is Garland, and we're going to talk about critical management skill number 78, which is how to set up your state-of-the-art YouTube studio. So a little history. Back in July of 2024, Bridget and I went to Kauai. And in Kauai, we had made a decision that we were going to create a YouTube channel to share the insights and wisdoms that we've gained over the years as far as how to run a successful martial arts business and, more importantly, how to run a successful life. We're sharing with you some of the mistakes we've made, a lot of them, and sharing with you some of the triumphs we have as well. In making that decision to do a YouTube channel, I realized and recognized I don't know what I don't know when it comes to creating one of those things. We've learned that if you want to be the best, you got to go find the best and train with them and learn from them. So that's what we've done. We're still learning, folks, and we still got a lot more yet to learn. It's been a fun adventure so far, and a lot of you have been after me to kind of share the insights of how we set up our studio, the one you see behind us. It's a ever-evolving, changing thing. It's a living, breathing organism. I'm going to get this camera off the stand here, and we'll go from there, won't we, Swerve? Okay, so here we go. Let's get this party started. I know, I love you too, pup. You're such a good dog. All right, folks, it's time to open up the next thing, see what we got here to set up for this studio. So let me flip this thing around here and kind of tilt it down a little bit so we can see what we're doing. Okay, so that's the unit itself right at the very end. Okay, and as we slide on down, it's made out of chrome. This is the locking mechanism. So really nice. And if you get underneath there, you can see how it goes up and locks in. And as we pivot around this way, yep, you can see the handle on that. Yeah, pretty good. Well made. Same locking mechanism here. It's got these threads right inside over here where it really is, it's got a real good lockdown system. And then this tightens up real nicely. And I do like this feature here to where if I'm going to loosen it for us real quick. And see how it bounces? So we got a spring action there so it doesn't have to come all the way down or it won't bang metal against metal. Is what it is, and that's the same thing on this side too. So it's really kind of pretty nice, in the sense it'll go up and down. And you can see how it's, so I really do like that feature because Lord knows I may loosen it too fast sometimes. It's really got some, so it's got the rubber grip, real nice foam grip actually. Yep, very pleased with it so far. And as we're looking at the base, I do like the way they've set up that base as well. So you can adjust the tripod according to where you want it to be. And this right here, this handle right here, is real good because that allows us to pivot the legs and then lock everything in. So it's really sturdy. It's got a good base, really spread out, so it's not going to tip over and fall. Then they've added in this thing where it's a sandbag. I wonder if it could be a water bag too. But it's, let me get the plastic out of the way. So you can see here, it's really nice the way that they did that. And I presume you fill it with a little sand and then kind of drape it over the top here. Then it kind of locks it in place so that there's not going to tip over on you. And look, it's even got this thing right here too. It's got a really nice, yeah, this is nice. Okay. Yep. So I'm pleased. So this is the review of the Lomtap C rack is what they call it, I guess. Yep. Excellent job. I'm happy with it. Again, I gotta tell you folks, I'm pleased with it thus far, and I'll let you know how it works out whenever we start putting some weight on it. Well, there it is in all its glory. C-stand with crossbar from Lomtap. They did a wonderful job. Thank you for watching this, and we'll continue on in the next video. All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Stepping Stones to Your Success, as we do a review of all the products we're buying here to create our world-class YouTube studio. So this is the next item that we bought. I'm kind of excited about it. It's designed to defuse the light, is what it is. Nice carrying bag. And this product is also made by Neewer, N-E-E-W-E-R. Okay, we're tied in a bow so it's easy to open. Two gel packs. Has a locking mechanism. Alrighty. Okay, new lantern softbox is what it is. Has a real nice instruction manual with it. Looks like it's real easy to open. Just need to push down on it. And I can do that. Okay. I'll open this puppy up. And supposedly, you're supposed to be able to just push down and then lock it in. Voila! It's already got the Velcro on here. Very, very nice. I'm impressed. Great piece of workmanship. Easily. I'm impressed with it so far. Let's get it hooked up to a light and see how it turns out. Okay, thank you for watching this. I'm going to put in all the specifics in the description, and I'll give you some close-ups on this as well. And there'll be some B-roll that goes with it too, but very well constructed. And thus far, before we get the light into it, it looks really good. Okay, I'm impressed so far. A+ infinity. Thank you for watching Stepping Stones to Your Success as we continue to build this world-class studio, and it's coming together rather nicely. Now let's get the light that goes along with this, and I'll be coming back at you in just a little bit. Have a wonderful evening. Well, hello everybody, this is Garland again, and welcome to Stepping Stones to Your Success. As we do a review of Neewer CB60B, which is a bicolor LED video light. Okay, and it's going to go with that corresponding old thing right over yonder. So let's get this baby opened up. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. How's my puppy doing? It's all about the lighting.
Okay, looks very good. Let's see what I just did.
Did I tell you already? I don't know about you folks, but I'm impressed. This modern technology is something else. So what do you say, let's get this party started? Well, hello everybody. You know, I've learned that we must constantly work to fill our cup of knowledge. I don't know about you folks, but I'm impressed. This modern technology is something else. So what do you say, let's get this party started?